Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the drain hose on this Zanussi washing machine. If your drain hose has become split or damaged and is leaking, it is necessary to replace it. Safety first, always unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I need to do is to remove the top of the appliance by undoing these two screws at the back. With the top out the way, I next need to remove the grommet that holds the drain hose into position. I do that by undoing the screw underneath. With the grommet unscrewed, I can simply push down to release the hose, and I also need to push down and release the hose clip, which frees the hose from the top. The next thing I need to do is to lower the machine onto the floor. Now we have carpet on the floor here. If you have a hard floor in your kitchen or wherever you're doing this fix, make sure you put the machine down gently on a mat or towel. With the machine on its side, I've followed the hose down at the back of the machine, and I can see that there's another hose clamp which can be released. Following the hose up to the drain pump, you can see there is a metal clamp holding it into place. I'm just going to release that so that I can remove the hose from the pump. With the hose clamp removed, I can now carefully maneuver the hose underneath a shock absorber and pull it through the machine. Do be careful, as there is often water inside the hose. With the old hose out, I next need to transfer the grommet from the old hose to the new hose. Two clips, one at the top, one at the bottom, that separates the two halves of the grommet. I can then feed the hose through the clips and reattach it to the drain pump. With the hose clamps all attached, you can then feed the hose back through the hole and reattach the grommet. With the machine upright and the hose firmly in place, I can now rescrew the top on. There we have it, one brand new drain hose fitted to this Zanussi washing machine. Drain hoses and other spares for washing machines and other appliances can be found on the espares.co.uk website. Thanks for watching.